I do believe that building a roadmap is important. And obviously in a roadmap, there are some key things that you're going to, nail down. But there are also going to be some things that you think are potentially or probably going to need to be on the roadmap in the future. And those should be on the roadmap. You can always change the roadmap 2 years from now or 3 years from now. But a strategic vision of data governance is pretty important in getting the foundation laid correctly. Generally after one of the first things you do at any data governance effort, the first thing you're going to do is identify the data elements, the ones that are important, the ones that are necessary to the aspects that you're going to do. If it's data quality, then you're going to say which ones are we most important in are most important to us in our operations and in our analytics, or maybe it's the ones that we think need the most help right now. One of the things that's been said before, when people get into this, they see how large it could be, how many data elements there might need to be worked with, and they say, how do we do something this big? And I always say, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. And so, but you do want to be able to prioritize and say, this bite is more important than that bite. And so you want to be able to identify these, what they are, and you have to be able to identify them and define them. This even works in the data security area and the data privacy area. Which data elements are important that we have this kind of coverage around that we try to protect? And so in doing that, you have to define what is that data element. What does it even mean? Several departments might use the same data and call it different names. Several of them may use the same name as each other, but actually mean different things about it. So you need to define what is this actually that we're working with, and be able to have a definition for each one of those. If it's two different ones, you need to have two different definitions. If it's one, you need to have one standardized or consistent name, at least for the system, for the data governance that you're calling that.